Wow, that moves super quick. Okay, so first of all, hey guys, my name is Mike Kubera. Bitcoin is at $17,102.20 with a $15 billion volume over the past 24 hours. The market cap is at $448.7 billion. And Bitcoin literally just rose like $300 over the past 30 minutes while you guys were waiting. Hello, last cactus. Do you like cactuses? Don't tell me what to do with my money, says Les Cactus. Y'all better buy Electroneum, says Frankie Davis. No. Yeah, I would not be investing in Electroneum. I mean, where is that? Let's see. That's not even on this. So bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, 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 bye. Anyway, let's do something that I haven't done before, and that's post a bunch of videos and also live stream. So I overwhelm you guys. And there was crazy wind in the previous video, but it's just so much excitement, so much news to get through. So let's just do a recap of what happened over the past week. Let's begin. This was kind of earlier in the week and a little part of 2 weeks ago, actually. So let's start with Venezuela. First of all, there was a Venezuelan buddy of the president who owned an oil company. He was arrested, and there was corruption charges. So that Venezuelan guy is gone. Then Venezuela decided to pretty much throw anybody who holds Bitcoin in jail for up to 16 months. I think it was 16 months, either 16 months or 16 months. 16 years sounds crazy. And on top of that, it's like pretty much if you're a normal civilian in Venezuela and you get caught with a bunch of Bitcoin, not only are you worried about taxes, but you have to worry about jail. Oh, that sounds horrible. But Venezuela has made their own coin, or they're in the works with that. So that's always interesting. But that's not really that important. That was kind of cool news. All right, so we move on a little bit later. And there's another lovely company. I wanted to say company. Yeah, pretty much it's a company instead of a country. Belarus, good old Belarus, a little bit north of Poland. You know, it's a nice dictatorship. It's kind of like the North Korea of Europe. They're the only country that still allow executions in Europe. And Belarus has legalized cryptocurrency. That's very interesting. And I have a lot of Belarusian friends. And I asked them what they think about this. Truthfully, they say that the only people in Belarus who have money to invest are the people who, you know, are either kind of like sketchily associated with the mafia or whatever, or are part of the government. So obviously Lukashenko gets a nice cut. I'm pretty sure he's got some Bitcoin, but hey, it doesn't matter. Bitcoin doesn't judge whether you come from a good walk of life or a bad walk of life. Money is money. Bitcoin is going up, so that's all that matters, right? Anyways, on to the next thing. People wanted me to talk about USI Tech. So in my opinion, USI Tech is a complete scam. They've been going around you know, doing these little weird events around the states and other countries where the main guys present their whole spiel where it's like, oh, yay, we're using the power of water and electricity to just make a bunch of money for you guys. And you start thinking about it like, well, if you guys just reinvented something crazy or completely, I don't know, found this crazy technology that's going to change your world, the best thing you can do is power Bitcoin mining facilities with it. Like that's the best thing you can do. Like, can't you do a little better? You know, make something that's worth like hundreds of billions of dollars. If this is so amazingly good, no. Okay, well, it's also weird. There's just so many red flags into it, but I'll go fully in depth with that. I would not be investing in USI Tech. Also, it's been around for quite a bit of a time, which doesn't really necessarily mean anything in particular because it could continue running for a while, but when it fails, and it will undoubtedly fail, right now, BitConnect and USI Tech, in my opinion, will continue to go for a little bit as long as the prices keep rising up. But, you know, in the case with Laser Online, which brings us to the next thing, Laser Online is down. And somebody asked me about the Laser token. Is the Laser token ICO still going? No, because it's gone. Laser's gone. And people, I joined the Facebook group for like where in the world is Bodie Klomp? Where in the world is the Laser CEO? Ooh, they're looking for him. And they found out that there's like they used a green screen and They had like real flags for laser online. So they're going full in depth, like Reddit and Facebook and Twitter and 4chan. Dude, they're bringing out the 4chan trolls. They're super sleuthing it up, right? They're looking at Odessa. They're looking in like Kiev. They're looking at all these weird areas of Ukraine for anybody who had any contact with the laser guys, as in like the manufacturers of the flags for laser online. They started like pinpointing where all the locations of the studios were. They started looking for like the girlfriends of like some random employees. I don't know. We'll see. Where in the world is Bodie Clump? Well, pretty soon we might have some information. If not, you know, whatever. Worst case scenario, it's like your money's not coming back either way. Because even if you find him, what's going to happen? Are you going to get $200 million back? No. No, the money's gone, so sorry. Anyways, there was another scam that fell, and I kind of delayed my video about this. Hexabot, that's gone, so you can kiss your money goodbye with that. That wasn't even glamorous at all. The website just sucked. How many? BB, thanks for being the first person of tonight that I'm going to block from this channel. It's fantastic. Your message didn't even show up because I have a filter on. So bye-bye, bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye, BB. You're banned from the channel. Your opinion about Genesis mining and hash flare. Well, there's money being made from that. Personally, I wouldn't go into it. And, you know, if you want to make money, whatever, it's your money. I would not really do that. I saw your videos about Coinbase and BitConnect being unreliable, so I know there's no best site. I should probably say what's less risky for fees and scams to do the money Bitcoin conversion. Well, if you're converting money into Bitcoin, I would not even consider BitConnect. No. If you're just trying to purchase Bitcoin, you know, BitConnect's a completely different animal, right? So you should probably be looking at two different things, right? If you want to purchase Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, one of the major cryptocurrencies, then, you know, it depends on what you want to do with it. If you're a criminal and you want to hide your identity, then you should probably not be giving up your identity to Coinbase or these major exchanges, as in if you're going over $10,000, they will report you to the IRS. They have KYC, know your customer, so they want to know everything about you. They want your passport, they want your social security number, they want your address, they want all your bills, and they have limits. They have maximum caps, so you need to go through their BS ranking system for months and months and months, and they still will close your account down. So that's fast. That's fantastic. Hello, Cristiano. But yeah, there's that equation where for lower fees, however, more painful process, and just, you know, you're pretty much you're naked out there because you reveal all your details to these exchanges. They have everything. They're selling your data most likely later on because their websites are either vulnerable or, you know, they just are greedy. But it's really difficult to talk tonight without swearing because there's just so much, you know, crap in the crypto world. But hey, whatever. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. There's that equation, but you can go to local Bitcoins or Paxful and pay 10 to 20%. It'll be a little bit more anonymous. The American coin should be called the good old American coin. There is Trump coin. There's also Nixon coin. There's a lot of stuff. When do you predict that Bitcoin will reach 1 million? I don't know. I'm gonna make a video that I personally, I'm going all in on Ethereum for 2018. Hopefully it reaches $5,000. I don't think it will reach $5,000 in 2018, but there is a chance that it might. However, in the future, I think $5,000 is perfectly capable. And I don't know, I'm more biased towards Bitcoin. I'm more biased towards Ethereum. However, both are nice. I'm not going to choose any sides, and that's how it's going to be from now on, because I realize that maybe choosing sides isn't the best. We're all in it together because cryptocurrencies, that's what's going on. Anyways, let's continue. So I talked about Gab ICO. That wasn't a sponsored video. I wish they paid me. That'd be lovely. I know that wasn't the best video, but I just wanted to chat about Gab because that surprised me that they were doing an ICO. Then that surprised me that YouNow was doing an ICO, which I'll be live streaming on YouNow after this. I probably should because it's been months since I live streamed there, but anyways, I have to make a video about IOTA and EOS because those were interesting. And a Bitcoin bubble, and there's also SONM. That one raised quite a bit of capital. We have to go through ICOs because over the past year, there's been some very interesting things going on. Filecoin, which raised like $300-something million, and there's been a bunch of ICOs that just went straight all the way over the top. who have raised over $100 million. Also, there's a couple projects coming out of some very sketchy countries that we have to discuss pretty soon, but we'll see what goes on with that stuff. There was the nice hash $70 million hack. That was interesting because that number keeps rising. So yeah, let's refresh CoinMarketCap, see what happens. In my personal opinion, I think the nice hash hack was, just some random dude that they got, or one of their own. Oh no, why did it go into a different page? Oh, it fell a little bit to 16,800. Oh, that's fine. That is what it is. $442 billion market cap. Jeez Louise. IOTA is still kind of chilling at $4.44. Whereas, what really surprised me this year? Dash. Like it did. It just kind of came out of nowhere to 714 bucks. And like it peaked at 750 or whatever it was. Any thoughts on EMCM? I have no idea. Any opinions about Power? Is that Power Ledger, the Australian project? Yeah, so they raised like $34 million and, well, 34 million Australian dollars, and that's pretty crazy. So I don't know. I think that their project looks pretty cool. They raised a decent amount of money in a very quick amount of time. Hopefully they are able to come out with all their promises. I am excited for Ethereum to come out with their updates. What was it? I can't say it. The Constantinople update. The hard fork. The Constantinople hard fork next year, and maybe Casper will be included inside of that. I like to gamble my money, says Cameron. Oh yeah, I'm actually quite pleased that I bought $1,200 worth of Bitcoin today earlier, because I told myself I wouldn't buy unless there was like an opportunity, like a golden opportunity, and I saw it just fall. I could have bought in a little bit earlier, like 30 minutes earlier, but there's just something while making that video earlier today. I was like, let's just plop in $1,200 just because it's like sitting right there. Like all I have to do is just like buy. That's it. Buy. All right. Boom. Immediately within an hour. Boom. I'm excited. It's interesting. But I'm just gonna keep it. How much Bitcoin do you have? Currently, I'm owed about $16,000 worth of tokens, which I should be receiving $8,000 worth of that within the next week or two. Let's see. Other than that, I have like 1 Ethereum. I have like $3,000 worth of Bitcoin. Man, that's about it. I got some Steam. I got like $2,000 in Steam, but I'm pulling that out more into Bitcoin probably. And then I got some fiat, which I'm gonna probably put some fiat into Ethereum, to be quite honest. So once I receive my next paycheck, which should be a hefty amount to pay all the bills and stuff, we should be gooch. And then I'll probably throw in a couple grand into Ethereum and just keep it in there. Because finally, for the first time this year, I'll have enough money where I won't have to care about anything. So I'll be able to invest in cryptos a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. But first, I got to pay all the bills. Then we can remember, kids. The most important thing is to pay the bills and then invest money that you can afford to lose. How old are you, Kubera? I'm 19. You first have to buy Bitcoin necessarily. So before you're able to trade into altcoins, you have to buy Bitcoin. But by the altcoins, I mean the ones that are not listed on the normal exchanges, as in like the ones that you immediately go and purchase with fiat currencies, right? So you're able to purchase Ripple, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and what was the other one? Bitcoin Cash, and some exchanges, not all support it. That for fiat currency. I think there was another one. I don't know. Is there another one? Dash? No, I don't think so. No, I think that's just that. Maybe Zcash. No, Zcash is more from the darknet and stuff. There was an interesting little story that I have to report on for Avi, but I can't find it. It's the Ethereum 5000. No, that's a different one. I have to report on EOS, Ethereum, bada-bum. There's a lot of nice videos that you have to go through. Yeah, all right. I think that's about it. All right, I'll get on to you now. And that was interesting. There's a lot of weird stories over the past week. Like, there's just too many to count. It just, oh my goodness. So how are you guys going? I don't have a hardware wall. Oh yeah, I'm actually for the first time debating whether I should get a ledger because I saw like everybody around me get a ledger, and I'm thinking about it like with what's gonna most likely happen over the next couple of months. Like it'd be really smart to have a ledger, maybe two of them, just in case. You know, IOTA has no transaction fees. I gotta buy this, but how? Where? Okay, so whenever you see an altcoin, all you have to do is go to CoinMarketCap, right? And let's say IOTA, for example. You pick it, then you go to markets, and then you realize, oh, most of it's being traded on Bitfinex. So all you do is go on Bitfinex, which I don't think Bitfinex really likes American customers, but whatever. It's one of those things. You go on Bitfinex through CoinMarketCap, you see what they're trading. Bitcoin, IOTA, Tether, EOS, Monero, Dash, blah, 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 blah. They have thousands, right? So then all you do is go to their exchange, plop your money in there. Cool. If you don't like Bitfinex, the next one is Coin One or whatever that is. And then you got like these OKX or X rates. But yeah, Bitfinex is the one that IOTA's on. So, you know, it might be something interesting to pull into. Honestly, I kind of want to throw in 1,000 after I buy some more Ethereum. I kind of want to buy some Litecoin. I want to buy IOTA. I want to buy EOS. That's about it. But I love me some of that. They're Bitcoin. I have no care in the world about Bitcoin. What wallet do you use right now? Actually, okay, so for my Ethereum, you know, yeah, Ethereum and all the tokens, the ERC20 tokens, immediately I just put into my Ether wallet, but I know that's not the most secure option. But that's because I'm still debating like whether I want to keep these tokens or sell them. I'm gonna keep definitely some of them, but I do want to sell the other ones. So we'll see what happens. Were you an onion vendor? I don't know. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about Ethereum Connect, Regal Coin. Great. Yeah, let me write that down. I should make a video about that. And then all the Electroneum spam, right? So that's because I haven't mentioned Ethereum Connect, even though so many people have been talking about that. It's just a total bunch of baloney. I'm surprised. Well, not really, because you look at BitConnect, but where's Regal Coin? Jesus. Regal Coin's at $27.56. It went up to, what is that, $87? $87 with like $12 million just traded. I like how there's no market cap for Regal Coin. Like, you don't know the full details about it. They have traded over $2 million. Crazy, right? And their website looked like crap. Like, immediately when you see spelling errors and stuff on this, it just makes you really debate it, right? You look like a Russian hitman. Really? 19 and married? Married to crypto, yeah. Want to make a BitConnect ICO with me? I have trading bot, says Cristiano. Great. What's your net worth? Negative 2 million. Oh yeah, there was some story on Reddit Bitcoin, which I think they were getting super excited over nothing really. What was it? Yeah, that's right. I totally forgot to talk about the futures. That's the last thing I should talk about before I go. Futures are the reason that Bitcoin like pumped up over $1,000, right? It just blasted. I'll report more on it tomorrow, but it seems to be going well. SIBO completely went down. The website crashed. I mean, the board crashed, and people got super excited about that. But, you know, it's normal. I mean, Coinbase crashes all the time. Gemini crashes all the time, which SIBO's connected with Gemini. And then there was this interesting little Twitter post or whatever that our Bitcoin got super excited about. The account is called BitMEX Rect, which BitMEX people are confusing for trading futures. I mean, the actual thing doesn't like go for fiat currencies. It trades in Bitcoin, right? And there was this post that was saying liquidated short on XBT USD, by $2 million worth. It was 2,344,000 at 15,239. So supposedly some dude lost like 10% of 2.3 million, which is like 200,000 bucks, right? But so, you know, there was people who were going a little bit more in depth with it, that he didn't lose it yet, but I don't know exactly how that works. I don't want to short. I would never short. I know people who have personally lost hundreds of thousands of dollars shorting. If that did actually happen, if someone did bet against Bitcoin and they put $2.3 million in and they lost 200,000, well, they still have another $2 million to play around with. But I mean, it just doesn't make sense to me, right? You don't want to get too greedy and all that. I want to take the hacker for the ransomware attack 2 years ago. I'm super good now, says Michael Moyes. Where do I go for more free money? Hey, Steven, it's been a little bit. Where do you go for more free money? Gosh, what a great question. You should go to Laser Online's newest website. Just wait for, Bodhi Clumps to show up. Any thoughts on, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to, any opinions? No. Any thoughts about Kraken, GDAX? Well, all the exchanges in the end suck. All of them will go down. All of them have horrible maintenance and customer support, and that's just how it is. Welcome to the cryptocurrency world. What's going on with Coinbase? So many emails on crashing. That's because they're crashing constantly. Welcome to Coinbase. We want to satisfy our customers. Yeah. No. Welcome to the crypto world. That's completely normal. Mike, heard of Monaco card? Yeah, it was like 6 months ago. They make money off the coin prices, transactions, new customers, and personal coding algorithms that they used to trade. Why would a successful business give out their secrets? Did someone ask how Coinbase makes their money or whatever? Oh, no. You're talking about BitConnect and all that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, BitConnect's gonna give out all of its details. Don't worry. Let me start like Litecoin Connect, okay? Trust me, guys, it's going to be fantastic. You guys need to invest in Litecoin Connect. That doesn't have a nice rhythm to it though. Litecoin, fudge. I need to Ripple Connect, IOTA Connect. There we go. Why Connect? Why not like link up? Link up bits. I can probably come up with a good name within like 60 minutes of thinking, and then just copy paste someone's website. Yeah, I mean, let me just throw in 3 more spelling errors: a Bitcoin address, smart contracts, or just big fancy words. Optimize, itemize, decentralize, baby. Boom. If you can dream it, you can do it. That's all that really matters, right? Nah. Lit Connect. Oh, that's not a bad one. Lit Connect. Stay lit, brah. Liddy, I need a loan. Call it whatever you want. Light Connect, Lit Connect. Yeah, let me just go on GoDaddy right now and get Lit Connect. Okay, so we're gonna go to GoDaddy.com because GoDaddy is kind of like the Coinbase of the domain world. I love GoDaddy, especially when they steal my domains and my money. Ha! Great. I hope that they steal my Bitcoins too. Litconnect.com. Don't tell me they have it. It's taken. Hey, litconnect.io is available for £44. Great, that's a deal. That's a LitBC. LitBC.com is available for £2,000. Guys, I think we need to crowdfund. I think we need to crowdfund for Lit Connect, because that sounds like a dope name, right? When is your ICO going to drop? Lit Connect? Well, first we have to get that domain, and then we'll be pretty cool. All right. I think that's it. Mike, can you shed some light on BitPay card? Yeah. So I'll probably get a Bitcoin credit card pretty soon. Not a credit card, a debit card pretty soon, because I kind of want to use that thing for some purchases. We'll make a purchase on Amazon or something. Although I remember back like 6 or 7 months ago when I was first getting into cryptocurrencies, Craig Grant made a video on how to purchase with his, not 10x. No, there was another. I think it was maybe the same card that I did. Maybe that's what got me into it. Anyways, Get the BitConnect domain after it collapses. Yeah, let me just redirect somewhere else, right? Supposedly Google messed up one time and their domain wasn't renewed, and some kid bought it and sold it for like 12 grand or whatever. I heard that from another dude, but I don't know the reality of that situation. Anyways, my name is Michael Cabrera. We shall see you guys tomorrow. Let me keep spamming you with videos and live streams. Yeah, I should probably get on YouNow now and just talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Okay, last thing. Let's figure out how much has it moved since I started this live stream. So it's 16,946. That hasn't moved that much. Jeez, the change in 24 hours. 25% change. So if you purchased 24 hours ago, $10,000, you just made yourself $2,400 because the fees and stuff, but still. Not bad for a day's work, right? I didn't do it. I more made my other stuff. Yeah. All right. My YouNow is literally just younow.com. I forgot. What is my YouNow? Let me check it out. younow.com/Avi, the other 3 letters, and that's it. Let me check it out actually. It's been a while. Holy moly. Jeez. Oh, only 1457 fans. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Oh, look! This holiday season, we're giving one lucky YouNow community member the opportunity to design a gift. Woo! Wow, look at me. I'm getting so excited for that. All right, bye.